Welcome back. Head Post Office in Panaji inaugurated franking machine on Thursday. The machine will be used to print duty stamp papers. The machine was inaugurated in 8 major branches of Goa. Non-judicial stamp papers will also be printed with the value of 500 rupees. Here the documents are franked directly with value typed on the agreement papers.
Our service is without service charges. Without service charges, and the second thing is we are not printing the stamp on a blank paper because there is a possibility that it may be misused. So we are typing the stamps only on pre-typed documents, and we will ensure the security of the document, and we will also ensure that the government money is used for the good purpose.
The stamp papers are available with the vendor, they are available with the treasury branch. But very often we have observed there is always a queue over there, and additional services was required. It is a need of ours that such facilities are created, and according to me, the Post Department has done a wonderful job.
The High Court of Bombay at Goa has defined the role and responsibility of Department of Tourism in verifying and scrutinizing the application forms for the license of beach shacks. The court has cleared that this is the responsibility of applicants to furnish valid documents and give true information.
The process of filing the application form for the license of beach shack is in progress. To get a license, it is important to fill the form properly with valid documents and complete documents. Hundreds of applications came to the Department of Tourism, and after going through all the forms, valid application goes for the lottery. But what would happen when any applicant furnishes wrong document or hides some truth? This question arose before a division bench comprising Justice S. J. Wazifdar and Justice U. V. Bakre during hearing a PIL. The bench observed that this is the responsibility of applicants to furnish valid documents and give true information. The court observed that it is not practical that the Department of Tourism verifies every document of every applicant. The High Court observed, applicants' responsibility to furnish valid documents and give true information, not practical for the Department of Tourism to verify every document of every applicant. The court also clarified that if a license is being issued to somebody who has submitted wrong document or has hidden some truth, it will not be considered as department's fault. If somebody else provides proof against culprit, then department can cancel the license and debar him or her from applying for next 3 years. Reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent Media.
News from sports after a short break. Stay tuned.